Imagine this. A tiny planet, once demoted to a dwarf planet, is now proving to be the most fascinating planet in our solar system. Yes, we're talking about Pluto. Recently, Pluto has been in the spotlight, as shocking images revealed something that we never knew before. Pluto is alive. And if that isn't enough, the latest images suggest that there could be a liquid ocean beneath its surface. Can you believe it? For years, researchers didn't think much of Pluto. It was too small, too far away, and too uninteresting. But boy, were they proven wrong. In this captivating video, we'll take a deep dive into the latest discoveries about Pluto, the planet that was once rejected as a planet. Get ready to be amazed. New shocking images of Pluto make history. NASA's New Horizons probe has revealed new images of Pluto, causing those who believed in it to rejoice. However, many astronomers still need help deciding to no longer regard Pluto as the ninth planet in the solar system. This decision was made when other dwarf planets and planetoids were discovered in the Kuiper Belt beyond Pluto, leading to a redefinition of what constitutes a planet. If all of these minor planets were included, it would be challenging to memorize all the names. Hence why a boundary was defined and Pluto didn't fit. Pluto is a trans-Neptunian object and a dwarf planet. It is not much bigger than the largest asteroids in the solar system, with a diameter of just 2,370 kilometers, making it only half the size of Mercury. The largest trans-Neptunian objects, ice and Ha, are almost as large as Pluto. This has led astronomers to question what is a planet and what is not. The text discusses the exciting differences in size between planets and asteroids in our solar system. A particular asteroid called Ceres is the largest in the solar system, with a width of around 1,700 kilometers and a height around 990 kilometers, making it almost as wide as Pluto. Although it is considered an asteroid due to its orbit around the Sun, researchers are still debating whether it should be classified as a small planet. The text also mentions the discovery of Pluto's textured landscape and features that resemble glaciers captured by the New Horizons probe in 2016. The James Webb Space Telescope has just turned its powerful gaze on Pluto once again, and the images it captured are mind-blowing. Upon closer examination, it's become clear that there have been some significant changes to Pluto's surface, particularly the honeycomb-like structure. What could these changes signify? The possibilities are endless, but one thing's for sure: this discovery will shake up the world of space exploration as we know it. Pluto's migration and glacier-like elevations suggest it has an active core and a possible ocean of liquid water. This makes it a candidate for life outside of Earth. The structures on Pluto are made of frozen nitrogen, not water ice. The significant plate shift indicates geological activity, which would make Pluto the third most active planet in our solar system if it was still classified as one. Recent investigations have revealed that active dynamic processes reshape the cells on Pluto's surface. Active liquids and gases are believed to generate heat due to the slow thermal convection of the frozen nitrogen formed in this landscape. The bubbling activity extends over at least 1,000 kilometers, indicating high levels of geological activity on Pluto. The existence of ice volcanoes suggests that the dwarf planet must have a highly active internal heat source. Ice volcanoes found on the icy cold moons of Jupiter and Saturn spew out a mixture of ice instead of magma or lava. The ice mixtures are always volatile, and frozen substances such as nitrogen, methane, and water are commonly found. Recently, researchers have identified two elevations on Pluto, Wright Mons and Picard Mons, as possible ice volcanoes. These mountains are presumed volcanoes and two of the highest elevations on the planet, with Wright Mons being about 5 kilometers high and Picard Mons about 7 kilometers high. Recent studies indicate that the ice volcanoes on Pluto were active until a short while ago. It's astonishing that despite having access to the most advanced technology, we only had access to blurry images of the solar system's ninth planet until 2015. If you've ever seen Pluto in middle school books or on posters, they were reconstructions from poor, blurry images similar to those captured by Hubble. Observing Pluto is challenging, as the planet is far from the solar system and almost always shrouded in complete darkness. Can you imagine the excitement among astronomers when New Horizons finally sent back the first sharp images of Pluto? The planet finally had a face, and Pluto surprised us all with its heart. Even though the structure, which now serves as a trademark of the dwarf planet, was nearly visible in the images captured by the Hubble telescope, it was not until the New Horizons mission that the heart-shaped feature was fully revealed and clearly visible to scientists. The surface of the dwarf planet suddenly became visible, exhibiting a range of colorful hues such as red, white, beige, and dark tones. The variety of colors makes Pluto look beautiful and provides essential insights into its surface's geological processes and elements. The images captured by New Horizons have been a true revelation for scientists and space enthusiasts. Researchers from the New Horizons mission unveiled their latest findings with revelations that included a connection between Pluto's enigmatic flip and its ice-filled basin, intriguing yet perplexing landscapes on the dwarf planet's surface, and insights into the building blocks of the snowman-shaped object Arrokoth encountered by New Horizons on January 1, 2019. Despite the knowledge that Pluto underwent a rotational shift in its past, details about its pre-flip orientation and the extent of the reorientation remain unclear. Scientists leveraging New Horizons data to explore Pluto's geological history aim to uncover clues explaining this phenomenon. A research team has now linked Pluto's flip to the formation of Sputnik Planitia, a 1,000-kilometer-wide basin constituting half of the iconic heart-shaped region on Pluto. Previous knowledge indicated that Sputnik, filled with nitrogen ice, significantly influenced the realignment of the dwarf planet's surface. Utilizing images transmitted by New Horizons following its 2015 flyby, researchers are mapping the trajectory of Pluto's flip. In this process, they identified parallel mountain ranges and deep valleys forming what appears to be a global tectonic system. These features, spanning over 300 kilometers, extend a comparable distance from Pluto's North Pole. The heart-shaped region on Pluto is a stunning sight to behold. It is surrounded by rugged mountains that soar to an impressive height of 3,500 meters, creating a dark and ominous silhouette against the sky. These mountains are not made of ordinary rocks and stones, but are composed of pure nitrogen ice, which is a testament to the unique geology of this distant world. The heart is also lined with hills, ranging from 1 to several kilometers in height, adding to the breathtaking landscape. Planetary researchers have even named the western region of the heart Thoma Regio in honor of the U.S. astronomer Clyde Tombaugh, who discovered Pluto in 1930. All in all, this region of Pluto is a fascinating and awe-inspiring testament to the wonders of our universe. Groups or chains of nitrogen mountains up to 20 kilometers long form at the heart's edge. Some extend along the equator, creating structures that wrap around the planet. Following the flyby of Pluto, the New Horizons probe continued its mission in the Kuiper Belt. Its objective was to study other objects in the region, and it succeeded in discovering 3 new Pluto moons. The probe is currently making its way through the Kuiper Belt and is expected to reach the heliosphere at the outermost edge of the solar system. As our understanding of the cosmos expands, we can only imagine what other wonders await us in the vast expanse of space. Stay tuned for more groundbreaking discoveries and fascinating insights into the mysteries of the universe. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please be sure to share your thoughts down below. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for weekly space updates. See you next time!